All right, hope everyone is doing well. You know, when it comes down to customizing trucks, it's all personal taste in what you want your truck to look like and to perform. And when I got this truck home, I looked at the Fender flare wheel wells that came stock with this truck. And their black textured finish did not look right with that beautiful cayenne red tint coat paint. So I got online and found actual GM part for color matched Fender flares. Smooth ones, and ordered them. I didn't pay $650, I paid $440 with coupons, and they came in a box with a set of 4 to a local dealership, and within like 2 days I had them. Brought them to the garage here, popped the front one off, and there's just a ton of those body side molding clips, plastic clips. Managed to bust off most of them. I'll be honest with you, pain in the butt. You have to go really, really slow. And here's what it looks like with the first one put on. And what I'll do, I'll show you a before, right here, and an after. Much better. And here's with all 4 of them on. And I pulled the truck outside in the sunlight to show you the color matching. Cayenne red tint coat is what they call it. Here's the other side. And here's a before and after. Alright, so I got all the tags transferred, vehicle registration done, put them in an envelope. And one other thing I did was I bought a 13-inch rubber ducky antenna because that antenna is smacking every time I go into the garage. So I can easily take that off if I need to. Alright guys, hey, thanks for watching, and I'll post some links to some other things I've done to this truck. Have a good one. See you next time.